Looking on big.
They're good. It's the pandemic during
For real.
the 20s.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Filming, just talk whenever you want to.
Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel, Guyanese Abroad. First of all, I want to thank everyone for watching, subscribing and sharing and commenting. Thank you all. Happy holiday, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. You see guys, I got my two kids with me. They're all grown up now. This is Anjo and this is Shayo, my son. Come close. Yes. So today I have three announcements to make. First, it's happy birthday to Andy. Say happy birthday to Andy. Are you cousin now? Come on.
Happy birthday.
Yay! Let me blow there. And happy birthday to Aji.
Happy birthday, Aji.
I know all your birthdays are around this time. And happy birthday to my brother Wahid. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And may Allah grant you happiness, health, wealth, long life and happiness. So today I'll be making, we are going to be making sponge cake or pound cake and fruit cake with my kids, Anjo and Shayo. So let's head to the kitchen.
That's a December birthday.
That's a December birthday, guys.
Why did they hold on to pop out on December?
And if and anyone else celebrating their birthday this month, happy birthday, and happy anybody celebrating anniversaries, happy anniversary, and have a happy holiday.
Look how you make them pick me do.
We were not meant to be.
These are my children. I'm so happy.
I was not made to be.
They're here. So guys, these are my ingredients for the cake. We're baking 2 pound sponge cake and 1 pound fruit cake. This is the flour, sugar. Look where Bisham do with the sugar. He was the non kid.
Me do that.
He make face with a sugar and a flour. And this is just 12 eggs, just to show you. The other 24 egg is over there. And this is nutmeg, vanilla essence, baking powder, orange rind, fruit for the 1 pound cake. And this is the cherry already cut up, nice and fine. And this is butter, 3 pounds of butter. See my scale, I weigh everything already. And kids help me. So it's time to start mixing. Shayo,
Yeah.
you're gonna help to beat the egg. I'm gonna
Yeah.
give you to beat the egg. Look, Anjali, where ceviche is here.
Pull that. What you doing?
We're unwrapping all the butter. It's soft. You're gonna cream the butter with the sugar. And I'm gonna not drop anything.
I'm getting a bigger fork.
Nice. Come on. Okay.
Find any blood yet?
No.
Put the sugar.
That doesn't leave the pot.
You know, to have the real experience. You should mix the sugar with spoon.
Like you guys used to make us do when we were little? In front of the TV?
Yeah.
In the pot?
Almost done.
That's funny. Still 12 plus 5, 17 eggs more. You videotaping it gives me stage fright because I'm afraid you're gonna get the 1 or 2 times I get the shell in the egg.
So my
And
baby.
then someone's gonna point it out.
How long it take you to make breakfast in the morning?
Not that long because I don't pay attention that much with the shells when I'm alone.
Yeah.
Because I like to eat them.
I know, the way you're cracking those eggs, I don't think you're gonna get
You know
paid with the shell even.
what's a
That's
faster
a saying thing.
You know what's a faster way to crack eggs, but you guys will get mad. Is we learned in school you just hit it against the counter and it has less shells usually. Like, do you want me to do it?
No. Don't
I
do it.
used to do it at school and I used to get it no shells.
We're gonna put a baking powder in the flour. You can just put the baking powder in the flour there. And a little bit of the cinnamon, nutmeg.
Half of
Just
the
half of the nutmeg. I'm gonna put the other half in the egg while he's beating it. This will go last.
So you're gonna mix it.
Shayo.
Okay.
And everyone, I'm gonna put the nutmeg in with the egg so he can beat it together. And it'll smell nice.
So why you put that in there?
And make it smell nice.
You take out the ring.
And this is the
Shayo,
vanilla
you
essence.
take out the ring.
Vanilla essence. There. Now you can start. Start slow and then increase the speed.
This guy is a baker. My mom used to bake in school. Right, Shayo?
Yep.
Just don't push this down like this whole thing come on. Turn them up.
Okay, done?
I think so.
Yeah, come put it here. Watch it. Let me go put them in. Pull out. They blend really well.
It's cream. You got to get all this in.
All the eggs.
You got to get all the nutmeg. Me other one.
It's right here.
Too much equipment. Too much tools.
This is the best one. The spatula.
Mix.
Wait, Anjo.
Putting the orange in.
Okay, turn on. Good. Turn on the flour. To add the flour. Me put one more. Okay. Fold on. So.
All done.
Just scrape a corner now.
The edge here, like here. Look if there is any egg left. I don't think so though.
Nonetheless.
That's good.
Look, let's see.
All right, that's good. So from now on, here, this point, you add your fruit or color or whatever cake you want to make. You want to make rainbow cake, you add rainbow colors.
So when you want to know if the cake make good chayo, Guyana, look, this is what people do.
Yep.
You stand up straight, that enough flour.
It's leaning. How long do you think it would take for it to get to the edge?
I don't know.
It's like leaning
Maybe it
very,
wouldn't.
very slowly.
Very slowly, but if it never gets to the edge, you're making heavy bread.
Look how you laugh.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm greasing the pan. I have the oven starting to warm up. I put it on to 350. Get the pans ready. See, I'm gonna put this at the bottom in each pan. I throw this paper. This is the butter, the excess, the little bit butter that left. I'm going to pan the cake now for the oven. The oven hot, and my pan are all greased. Bring it close. You think that good? Anjo?
Yeah, you gotta leave like 2 inches, right?
No, shake So time to put the cake in.
It's hot.
Put the fancy cake.
2 shell 4 you put in. How much fruit you mix in there? Half a pound? You mix your fruit in there?
Yeah, about half pound fruit. So I'm gonna put the fruit one to bake now. See, all the
These are
sponge one done.
Spongy, my kind of cake.
They're lovely.
Ready to cut. Look at that one.
And hot.
Yes.
We'll cut them tomorrow.
2 pound more there.
So guys, finally finished baking all the cake. So these are the sponge cake. This one, and this one, this one, and this one.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
And these three is the fruit cake. So thank you all for sticking with us and watching us. Kids are all sleeping already.
We're gonna eat
It's
this tomorrow.
Christmas Eve. We're gonna eat this tomorrow, so they're still hot. We'll cut them tomorrow. Maybe we'll show you guys what they look like. Tomorrow is Christmas dinner.
This is what we do every Christmas Eve.
We do
We
this.
bake.
This is our tradition. Every year we bake. And yeah, me tired.
Do all it.
Time to go sleep. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing and sharing and commenting. And have a Merry Christmas. Bishop. And Happy New Year. Happy holidays to everybody.
Gain a few pounds.
Eat lots, gain some few pounds, and then maybe you're gonna exercise all year
And you make your New Year
next
resolution.
year. So bye for now. See you guys next video.
Sorry, this early morning.
I have to share the cake out.
Which one is this? Sponge cake?
Yes. No, this one is fruit cake.
Fruit cake. And this is the sponge.
And this is the sponge.
That's it.
Look at it. Beautiful.
Nice. And what you do?
I will bring a black cake.
Oh, for black cake. Oh,
We have to cut that too.
good luck.
Hmm?
Let me just start cooking.